Hey everybody, we're going to talk about how to use a microscope today. So, the first thing you obviously need to do is obtain two things. Thing number one is the microscope itself. Once you have your scope and it's plugged in to an electrical outlet, you need to have something to look at, which is right here, a slide, which contains a specimen on it. Now, all of the specimen that we view are going to be prepared already. You don't have to make your own slide, which is actually kind of cool. So, once you have your slide, you need to get it in the right spot, which, if you're looking at the microscope diagram, would be your stage. Right, all good slides are going to perform on a stage, which is the black element right here. To view things under the microscope, we need light, hence the compound light microscope. So as the light shines up through your specimen, it's angled using some mirrors in here to hit you right in the eye through this eyepiece or ocular, which also has some magnification power associated with it. Now, moving to how to actually use this scope. It's actually kind of a unique device in that it will obviously make things appear larger than they really are. So our specimen that's under the scope should first be viewed under what's known as a low power objective. Now, what the heck is an objective? First of all, your scope has 3 of them, and they are located right here. You'll notice that they are 3 different sizes. We have a red one that is known as the low power objective. We have a yellow objective that is the medium power objective, and the blue objective, which is known as the high power objective. Now, tip number 1, and probably the most important tip I can give you about using the microscope, is that you should always view your specimen under the low power objective first. The reason for that is because it's going to provide you with the widest viewing angle, so that way it's a little bit easier to find your specimen. Because the higher power objective you go to, the more and more focused and the tighter in on your specimen you become. So please view under low power first, or this red objective. Then, once you have whatever it is you're trying to find or analyze in the viewing window or the area that you can see, if you find something within your specimen that you would like to go a little closer to or investigate a little further, then you need to move to the next highest power objective, which, if we're on low now, the yellow medium power objective would be the one to go to. Now again, my recommendation before moving from low to high power, or from low to medium power or medium to high power, is that you put the specimen in the middle of your viewing window. Now, as you kind of look through this little area here, you're going to notice that there is an arrow that is in there. Whatever it is you're trying to get a closer look at, put it right on that arrow. So that way, when you rotate from low to medium or medium to high power, you can get right in and see what you need to see immediately, rather than having to move the slide around under those different powers to find it, which can be tricky at times. So when you're finished using the microscope and finished analyzing whatever it is you're looking at, please turn off the lamp so that we don't burn the batteries out. So we don't burn the bulbs out. The bulbs can be relatively difficult to replace. So turn those off. And if you have any questions on how to use it, obviously, I'll be around to help you. So, see you soon.